নমস্কার, আমি সুনীল গাভাস্কার। তুমি আমাকে ভালোবাসো। I'm so happy to be able to connect with you and to congratulate you on this wonderful initiative of the NABC to have the Hope 2020. In times that we are facing at the moment, such a concert of some of the most eminent music artists of India is definitely going to lift the spirits of all those who tune in and listen to them and enjoy their musical journey. It is going to be something really fantastic and something to look forward to. And along with it, of course, there is going to be the hope that you will understand the various relief initiatives that are being taken all around and try and join in those relief efforts with your generosity or with whatever help that you can provide. I do certainly hope that you enjoy this Hope 2020 because believe me, it is going to be something really, really special. I'm also going to talk to you about the Heart to Heart Foundation and the Arogya Vahini, Sri Satya Sai Arogya Vahini. Because these are two initiatives that are close to my heart. The Heart to Heart Foundation has been set up to help Sri Satya Sai Sanjeevani hospitals perform free surgeries for children affected with congenital heart defects.
श्रुति पहले बचपन से हमें पता नहीं था, वो नॉर्मली था। बच्चे को देखते तो भी रोना आता।
Children born with congenital heart defects are either born with some kind of structural defects or holes in the heart.
In the United States, 95% of children with congenital heart defects are expected to live, whereas if a child is born in India, 90% of these children would not survive.
The Heart to Heart Foundation is a non-profit that provides free heart surgeries in partnerships with the Sai Sanjeevani hospitals in India and other developing countries. The cost of a congenital heart defect surgery in the US could be as high as $250,000. Sai Sanjeevani hospitals have done a lot of innovation to really bring down the cost of surgery to less than $1,200 per patient. Our mission is to raise enough funds to support more children, to really expand the capacity of the Sanjeevani hospitals. We actually can make a very tangible difference.
You won't believe there are more than 300,000 born with the CHD and 90 to 100,000 or maybe more than that won't even survive till their next birthday. There is a waiting list of more than 37,000 for these surgeries. And it is not easy for those daily wage earners to be able to afford the cost of the surgery. And that is the reason why the Heart to Heart Foundation has come forward to help them get these surgeries at zero cost to them. And when you contribute, whatever you want to contribute to these surgeries, to these efforts, you are giving gift of life to all these children. And this gift of life resonates with me because I am here today because in my first ever test match, the one and only Garfield Sobers dropped a simple catch when I was batting only on 12. I was batting on 12, I edged the ball, simple catch in the midriff, and Sir Garfield Sobers, the greatest of them all, just dropped. He dropped it, I survived, got half century, and kept my place in the team for the next test match. In the next test match, I was batting on 6 and I splashed hard at the ball flew to Gary Sobers again and it hit him on the chest. By the time he recovered, the ball had gone down to the ground. And I went up to get my first ever test session. So what did Gary Sobers do? He didn't do it deliberately, but what did he do? He gave me a cricketing gift of life. And that is why this Heart to Heart Foundation resonates with me because they are doing exactly what Sir Garfield Sobers did to my cricketing career. he gave you a gift of life, and you can do that as well. So I really look forward to your generosity. Look forward to your joining us in this campaign to save as many lives as possible. And who knows, all these children who survive and lead a full life, who want to become great servants of our country. So please join me. I will also, in a moment, tell you about Sri Sathya Sai Arogya. The COVID pandemic has left millions all over the world in complete disarray. The world's been in a complete disarray. And even in India, particularly rural India, has suffered tremendously. And before Bengal could recover from this COVID pandemic, Cyclone Amphan struck, and it created destruction all over Bengal. But as soon as this happened, the Sri Sathya Sai Arogya Vahini, or in short, mobile medical units, were on the scene. They were on the scene, particularly in rural Bengal, to try and help those affected by both the COVID pandemic as well as the devastation of the Amphan cyclone. West Bengal being the epicenter for CHD infants, Arogya Vahini intends to play a pivotal role as a ground force to support the vision of the Heart to Heart Foundation of building a free pediatric cardiac hospital in Kolkata as a part of nation building. If you like what you saw or what you heard from me, please join us in our efforts to save as many lives as possible. Please contribute to the Heart to Heart Foundation or the H2H Foundation or the Arogya Vahini Medical Outreach. These initiatives are looking to provide free of cost surgeries to all those who have been affected by CHD. So I ask for your generosity. But let me say that I'm not asking without me having made any contribution. That is not what I want to do. And without sounding to boast, I have made a humble contribution for 35 surgeries and intend to make another contribution for 35 surgeries on my birthday a week from now. So please join me and let us save lives, children's as well as those affected by Amphan and polio. God bless you all.